Welcome back to Cut It With a Hammer. It's been probably 3-4 months since I did a video, and the last one was about my dust collector, but we're going to continue with that theme and talk about the room air purifier that I have up here mounted on the wall. I've had that for 5 years now, and I thought since I'm going to do the annual filter change, now would be a good time to talk about it. The company is called Rabbit Air, and it's their Minusa2, I believe. It's got a lot of nice features. It's auto. When I turn off the shop lights, it will automatically shut down after a little while. It has a bunch of like 6 different filters. One of them that I use is a VOC filter, which is good for staining or something inside. It just sits there and runs. I don't have to worry about it. It does have auto speed detection, so when the shop gets dusty, I can hear the fan kick up, and when it does that, then I know I should probably wear some dust protection on myself. So, pretty nice unit, and we'll just go ahead and we'll turn it off. Try to remember how this comes apart fairly easily. As you can see, the pre-filter is pretty dirty. Whole assembly comes out. And we'll get to changing the filter. Here's the replacement filters. I get an email from Rabbit Air once a year and order what they send me, or the notification they send me. That's about $100. This is the second filter. Oh no, this is the HVOC filter. For the VOC filter. Instructions just tell you what order to put these in. They're numbered. This goes in 4th. HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, so this first filter is reusable. We'll just have to clean it up. You can take this upstairs and wash it off, but I don't think I'm going to need to do that this time. Take this out of the frame. The HEPA filter. The VOC filter. And the carbon filter. If order is important, it lists which part is the front, and front is up. One. Also, when the machine is running and it detects VOCs, it will run faster. Like if I'm doing shellac, or even if I'm doing stuff with alcohol, it will, the fan will run faster. This is a customizable section of the filter. You can get stuff for a filter that's more germ oriented, pet dander, just other stuff. These are basically marketed for indoors, like if you have pets and your children are allergic to pets, or you live in a dusty area. I wiped down the inside the unit real quick with a damp paper towel. There we go. It also has a ion filter. If you want to turn that on, you can turn that on or off. Set the filter. And that's it. So that's the Rabbit Air filter. Like I said, it just sits there and hangs on the wall and does its thing. Reasonably happy with it. It wasn't really that much more expensive than a nicer ceiling mount one that you would traditionally buy from Laguna or anything else you'd buy over at Woodcraft. So some of the extra features it has, and I think the newer versions have Bluetooth, if that's something of interest. This one came with a remote.